Hey guys, Mr. K here, and I have with me Hisense latest smart TV. It is a 98-inch Ultra LED TV that costs about 1.6 million naira only. Now this TV is massive, like really massive. And for context, I tried putting a 55-inch TV, which is huge by all standards, in front of this TV, and the difference in size is crazy. So what else does this TV have aside from the huge size? Well, quite a lot. So let's start off with the display, and this TV uses a 4K display. It is an Ultra LED display that uses quantum dots technology, and what this does is to help to produce really rich and vibrant colors. So in my opinion, I feel that the colors on this TV are really vibrant and punchy. It also has deep levels of blacks, so you can get the old cinematic experience using this TV in a dark room. And the thing is, there's a feature on this TV that can help to sense your environment and adjust the picture quality accordingly. Now, I actually tried out this feature, but I didn't really notice any major difference with quality. Now, this TV also has a high frame rate as well. I'm talking 120Hz refresh rate. It also comes with a lot of features to help maximize the quality of the display. For example, there's a game mode pro feature on this TV that will literally take your gaming to another level. So when you turn it on, you'll be able to access auto latency feature. Now, what this does is to help you get a lag-free experience when you're playing games. There's even a sport mode feature on this TV that enables a motion rate of 200 so that you can get a smooth experience when you're watching your favorite sports. Now let's talk about ports, and aside from the regular ports, this TV also has 4 HDMI ports, but bear in mind that 2 of the ports have been pegged at 120Hz refresh rate, while the other 2's refresh rates are pegged at 60Hz. It also has 2 USB ports, and of course there are other essential TV ports as seen here. Now, while I do love the number of HDMI ports that this TV has, I feel that it would have made sense if Hisense had included more USB ports. But let's move on to the sound, and this is another area that impressed me. So for starters, this TV speaker is placed at the back, and it is powered by Dolby Atmos. Right now, the volume is at 20%. Now I'm going to increase it to 50% just to show you how immersive the sound is. And that is not even the highest. And if you're mounting the TV to the wall, there's a way you can enable a setting so that the speakers can sound just as good. Now let's talk about the internals, and powering this TV is Hisense Vida OS. I feel it's a really great UI that brings a lot to the table. For example, it has so many applications already pre-installed, especially for the Nigerian market. For example, there's DSTV, there's Showmax, you have Amazon Prime, Netflix, and so many more. And you can even install more applications if you want to. But one interesting thing about the Vida OS that I like is the fact that it supports voice control. So the remote actually has a voice control button, and if you tap on it, you can easily tell the TV whatever you want it to do, or you can make it play anything you want it to play. For example, play Spiral, Who Is Your Guy on YouTube. Another button that is quite interesting on the remote is this art button. So if you press on it, you get access to many artwork from Hisense that you can use as a wallpaper or a screensaver. So that way you get to make your TV look like an art frame when you mount it on the wall. The only thing I wish is that there were a lot of wallpapers that we can choose from, or there's a way that we can add more wallpapers to the existing list of wallpapers. So overall, I feel that this TV is one solid one. I love the colors it produces. I love how loud it is. I also love the Vida OS. Of course, there are some things I wish were added or increased. For example, the number of ports, I wish it was more, especially the USB ports. I also wish that we have access to more wallpapers. But for a TV that is this huge in size and costs 1.6 million naira plus, I'd say it's a steal, especially when you consider that there are not so many TVs in this size that cost this amount. Anyways, what do you think about this TV? And if you had one game that you can only play on this TV, what would it be? But the most important question now is, can this TV fit into your space, or would it be too big to fit? Let me know, and as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.